Hi there, it's Adrian, and in this video we'll look at how you can offer cash payments as a payment option for your courses. So if you go into settings and then click on payments, you'll see an option to enable cash as a payment method. And you can enter a message here, such as please bring the exact amount and no change, well, given, right? And you click save, and that's it. This option is now saved. So if I go into a course and I will view the payment page for a course, let's go into that, click to book. You'll see that when you scroll at the very bottom, there's now an option for payment method, and then it prompts me to select what payment method I prefer. If it's card, then when I go to complete the payment, I will just, oops, wrong button. I'll just be prompted to enter my credit card details as normal, but if it's cash, it just prompts me with the message that I've entered in settings. So it says, please bring the exact amount. And then if I click continue, it's not prompting me to pay anymore. So how does that work? Well, when someone comes to your course or workshop, you will know that they still need to pay, because within the booking itself, the record will highlight that. So when you look at this booking, for example, it will say payment method, cash, to be paid, as here it says awaiting payment as the status. So you know that they still need to pay. So when they bring in the money, you can just change the payment status to paid. And now you know who's paid and who hasn't, so you can keep track of that. Hopefully this helps. If you have any questions or feedback, please get in touch.